side Jasneet again from Threads and Grace. I hope everyone can guess that what I'm wearing. This is the hot design and the demanding in the market. This is called Ayurvedic Natural Pomegranate Peeled Hand Block 3-piece सूट सेट्स है के अंदर मेरे पास जो डिजाइन अवेलेबल है एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वेरी अफोर्डेबल अगेन दिस इज कॉटन एंड वेरी ब्रीदेबल फैब्रिक फॉर दिस समर। खास बात मैं आप सबको कहना चाहती हूँ सबसे पहले पोमेग्रेनेट पील से जो कलर निकल के आता है उसी से ये ब्लॉक्स बनता है। बट बहुत सारी चीज़ें ध्यान में ये रखना है कि पहली बात तो once you get it stitched then please do wash this piece and I'm telling you ये bleed करेगा because these are natural dyed hand block pieces। first piece जो मैं wear किया हुआ था so now you can check the blocks so this way it will go। you can utilize these blocks on your designing part बहुत खूबसूरत है। again this is on polka dots this will be the bottom का दुपट्टा है दुपट्टा की जो borders है और आंचल पोर्शन है इस तरीके से ब्लॉक्स दिया हुआ है एंड द होल दुपट्टा विल गो दिस पोल्का डॉट। तो ये लीजिए आपका फर्स्ट सूट का ओवरव्यू। बहुत ही खूबसूरत कलर कॉम्बिनेशन एवरीथिंग। ये सारे जितने भी कलर्स आप देख रहे हैं वो सारे अर्दी कलर्स ही होंगे। विल गो सो दिस इज द ब्लॉक्स एंड दिस विल द बॉर्डर। अगेन यू कैन यूटिलाइज दिस बॉर्डर ऑन योर डिजाइनिंग पार्ट। very stunning। I was telling you so these are the patches you can see here and this is the beauty of these pieces। so people who are well aware of these natural colors and how it gets dyed and all those will buy। people who do not like this definitely it's not for them so please be careful before buying it because this will not be returned or exchanged just because of these things। now look at this beautiful bottom। so bottom is again big polkas। this is the border okay beautiful border and then it has this beautiful polka so like this it will go। बहुत ही खूबसूरत the actual nature made pieces the fabric till the design part so all are nature friendly and being made by nature। blocks has been made by the human so human are also made by the nature it's like all three together। salvage so this salvage you can utilize in your designing part and this design will be throughout on your suit। whereas the bottom is in stripe border will go so this is border as well as this archel and now check this out this way it will go like this। last design and color so can you see the impurities so this impurities are called what is the marvelous design and the nature that we can't avoid and this is the salvage very beautiful salvage that you can utilize। bottom is in big stripes this is the bottom beautiful border beautiful anchal and the beautiful polka dots beautiful color this will be the proper look of it right। amazing and amazing। I'm just loving these suits and likewise I was telling you that some colors that you will see on my hands and this way you have to be a little bit careful about the piece you have to separately wash। this is not a dry clean piece of course this you can wash it at home but yes you have to separately wash it with the cold water and a little bit salt on the water। so to book the pieces what you have to do is you have to just DM us on our WhatsApp number that is 8527863545।